another exquisite planning video here on my channel, Exquisite Glow. I'm going to be doing a haul video. This is the second haul video that I do here in a short time because I had placed an order online because Happy Planner came out with a whole bunch of brand new things that I'm like, oh my god, I should have just waited and done all my purchases at once, but thankfully I didn't because I was able to get a discount on the Happy Planner website, and is why I was able to buy all of this stuff because they don't have the discounts that often. So I went ahead and took advantage. So I have a nice chunk of things here. I'm gonna move them to the side and bring one by one on. But I am going to go ahead and show you the two washies that I decided on picking up. So I got these two. This one is the workout washi, and it has dumbbells on here, which I thought were super cute, and is probably the reason why I got it. And then it says here, fall in love with taking care of your body. That's really nice. And there's this one here, eat well, feel good. I need to do more of that. And then they have the working out outfit, and then there's this workout green one, as well as this stripy one and stars. But mostly got it for the ones with the wording and the pictures. These two are, you know, they're nice, but the other ones are the ones I really liked. And then I also got the financial one because I want to keep better track of my spending, says the girl who just went all out online. I need to be more budget cautious, is what my husband calls it. So I bought washi tape for it. That makes no sense, right? But I don't know, I thought I could make my spreads look cute with this washi. And yeah, so I got this. I really like the piggy banks. Really, the piggy banks is what I wanted, but everything else is really cute as well. Alright, so I recently decided on going for the Teresa Collins and Happy Planner collaboration planner, but I did mention that I really like the Stargazer palette, not palette, I'm thinking makeup, planner, but I only purchased a few of the Stargazer items to put into my planner just to give it that Stargazer feel as well. And online I decided to pick up this one, although I regret not receiving, well, not regret, but I regret not putting in my cart the full-size classic notes paper, not the paper, but the actual notebook. Classic notes notebook, because I really like the dividers in there. I didn't realize that I had dividers for some reason, and those dividers I can actually use in my planner to divide different sections, like my actual, you know, like my weekly planning, my budget, my workout, and, you know, my social media. Like I can divide them up with those dividers. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it up at Michael's. I'll just use like a 40% coupon or something, which is awesome because it'll be really cheap. But I did pick this one up online, and this one has the grid paper, which I really like. I actually like grid paper. I don't know why. It's kind of mathematical, even though I hate math. But it just reminds me of math class. But I don't know if the lighting is okay to catch it. But it's just dot grid paper, and it has these stars here on the side. It says notes right here, and there are half sheets, and it's a whole bunch of them. It is 60 of them, so it's really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in my planner. Then the next thing that I picked up some more notes paper. I don't know, I've never really paid attention too much to the notes paper until the Stargazer ones came out. But look at how cute these designs are, and they're gold foiled. You can see the gold there, the foil. But I don't know, I just picked them up because I thought they were really cute. And it has all this kind of hobby style things, like a sewing machine, the scissors, the pens, hole punchers, string, sticker books, and washi tapes right here. I thought it was really cool, and it's so like a little bit of everything I like to do, so I picked this up. The next item that I got is this here. This is a half sheet weekly goal list. So you can do up to 3 goals per week. And then on here it says what are the steps to make that happen. So you write your goal here and then just write out the steps or the map to make that happen. It says you've totally got this. Write out some achievable goals you can accomplish in a week and specific actions to make them happen. There you go. They did a better explanation than I did. But yeah, they're half sheets and you can just toss them into your planner. Either it can be, I don't know, a project that you're working on or something you want to do more of, like work out, eat better, you know, and you can write down the steps to like make that happen. The next item that I got is this. I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in because I think that'll be easier than bringing it up to the camera. And it might have better color payoff maybe. But I got this block of paper. I don't know if it's, yeah, it is stuck gummy wise up here, I think. But you can hole punch them or you can happy planner punch them and stick them into your planner. And this one just has a Monday through Sunday. Is it Sunday? Yeah, through Sunday. So you have Monday through Sunday. You can hole punch them and you get 100 sheets for a really good price. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but it wasn't a lot. You can put the date. Now I thought that this would be cool for either, like, you can do social media planning on here, you can do fitness planning on here, you can do your weekly meal planning on here. So I don't know how exactly I'll use it, but I have so many sheets that I'm sure I can use it for multiple things. I think I wanted to do the working outs on here, like write out specific workouts for the day to do, like a plan, workout plan, but I'll see how I use it. I finally decided to pick this one up, and finally meaning I finally have it in my hands. I've always looked for it at Michael's, but they don't have them all the time. I think they only put them out when it's like time to pull out like all the teacher and student planners. I think that's when they bring these out. How these ones works is kind of like just like a roster. You can see here, you put the kids' names and then you can write the assignments and you can grade them on here, or also like attendance and things like that. Obviously I'm not a teacher, only here on YouTube. Sometimes I teach you guys how to do makeup, but you know, class-wise I'm not a real teacher. But I thought I can like list like YouTube ideas for videos and then like the steps to get it all completed. I don't know, things like that. That's like something that I thought I could do. And yeah, so I'll see how I incorporate that. That's more for like my social media planning. All right, so now the items that I'm mostly excited about. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit. There we go. These are the ones that I'm mostly excited about. These are the planner companions. They only come in the classic size as of now that I saw online. I don't know if they're gonna have them for like the big planner or not, but they have it for the classic. This one here is the digital detox planner companion, and on the back it gives you an overview of everything that is in the actual kit. It also comes with a bracelet, which I thought was really cool, and the idea of the bracelet is when you're wearing it, it kind of gives you a reminder of like, you know, you need to do your digital detox or whatever companion kit that it is that you bought. It's specific to that. So this one says, wear this bracelet as a reminder to focus on your relationships with yourself and those important to you. So this is one of the packs that I got. The next planner companion that I picked up was, this is the budget one, and it also comes with a bracelet. It has everything on the back. This one comes with 30 pieces. The digital detox one comes with 140 pieces. All right, then the next one here that I picked up is the wellness one. I mentioned, obviously I just mentioned my baby, but I want to get back into being fit again and just feel good about myself. Yeah, and I thought that this would be kind of a cool little companion to my planner. This one has 272 pieces. And kind of show you this. I want to do a video going more in depth on those planner companion kits. So yeah, stay tuned for those. For those for sure I'm gonna do. I also got this working out one. This one is the fitness. This is a wellness and this one's the fitness. So this one's really cute. Look at the bracelet, it's black. And then this one comes with 322 pieces. Here's an overview quickly of what the back shows that comes in the kit. Then I picked up this here. This is the fitness sticker book. And this is one of the new ones. I'll do a flip through separately for this one. But this one comes with 946 pieces. 946 pieces. And I need to, this one. See, this one has the, what it is on top. And all of my other ones don't. So I need to label them myself. That's weird. They should all do that. Maybe if you buy them directly from the Happy Planner website, they have it. And then the last item that I ordered online is the actual fitness planner. It's an undated one. I wanted to make sure to get one that was undated. That way I'm not like 100 like a whole month of working out. So I want to just like use certain pages or be able to start it whenever I want. Something I thought that was pretty sick about this is that it has the discs in different colors. I just thought that was so cute. And the actual planner, the wording is holographic. You can see that, like hollow foil. And look at the details, all the dumbbells, the kettlebells, the weights. That's so pretty. It says on good days work out, on bad days work out harder. So motivational. And then the inside of the leaflet. All right, let me take this off. Okay. Oops, just bumped my lamp. All right, so you have the welcome, and then we have this stickers that are gold. Let me open it back up because I don't want it to get dirty. Let me move these. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This Happy Planner Fitness Edition belongs to. Then here we have a celebrate each victory. You can put your goals on here. You can do holidays and birthdays, but you can use that differently because this is a fitness planner. It's not like your regular planner, but you can use it however you want. And then reflecting on this month, you can maybe do it before and after from the month, or you can just do what you look like at the beginning of the month if you end up doing it monthly. And then on the next month, just do what you look like at the beginning of that month, so you'll be able to see your differences. So here is what this looks like. So that's pretty art. I feel like my camera is not bright enough. So we have the monthly view. It's not dated. Something I noticed that on the smaller planners, that when you put, they have like a more cursive style spell out for the month. They don't have that for the big planner. They should. And then you have some stars here on the side where you can list some things that you want to do maybe. And then this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. If you look, it's like rainbow. The lines, they're rainbow, kind of bleed into each other. And then you have the side notes. So you have the today, priority. You have a food log, which is grid. And then you have the exercise. Now, I feel like the exercise, that's kind of like a small section. I would have wanted the food log section to be the exercise section, and maybe the food log on top. But I mean, you can adjust it just by whiting out and like writing it in yourself. So all the pages are exactly the same. Nothing crazy, no quotes. I really like how simple it is. And then the next dashboard is exactly the same as well. All right, so this is what this one looks like. You have the foil and the nice designs. which is kind of like what's in the front. No, it's different because this one is actual like workout clothes and some equipment. Then you have an actual colored picture. Cardio is Hardio. That's funny. It's Hardio, but you feel really good after. And you have this, says fall in love with taking care of yourself. It does not get easier, you get stronger. Wake up beauty, it's time, something. So they kind of like stop. Then you have this one. That's cute. This one's more like the cover of the planner. Strength is beauty. My camera's about to die. Hope it doesn't. Stay hydrated. Fall in love with taking care of your body. And this one is gold foiled. Oh, this one's really pretty. This one's also gold foiled. Some of the pieces of the clothing. Eat like you love yourself. This one's not foiled. And then the last one just has a whole bunch of quotes, which is kind of cute because sometimes I like to copy quotes and put them on my Instagram. So you can take them from here. So that's pretty cool. And then at the end, usually there's like a notes on every planner. Yeah, so there's a notes section. So yeah, that is everything that I purchased through the Happy Planner website. I hope that you enjoyed this little haul. I do want to do individual videos for the planner companion kits because there's just so much in them. As you can see, there's so many pieces. And I also will do a flip through on this sticker book. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this planner haul. Please subscribe if you enjoyed it and you want to see more, and turn on your notifications so that you are notified whenever I do upload the upcoming video, so you know the sticker book or which planner companion kit I'm putting up. You'll be notified there. Again, subscribe, and you can follow me on all of my social medias. The links will be listed down in the description, and some are here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys. Mwah.